Welcome to Webstar Plus. In this video, I will show you how to freely move a picture anywhere in a Word document. To do that, let's bring a picture in the document. Insert picture, this device. Let's bring this image. Here is the image. Let me scale it down a bit. Once the picture is inside Word document, select picture, right click, select wrap text, and then behind text. That's it. Now we can freely move it behind the text or anywhere in the document. You can also access this option by clicking the picture and selecting wrap text and then select behind text. That is it. Set text wrapping to behind text for the image and done. So by making image behind the text, image becomes flexible to move anywhere freely in the Word document. Same goes for the Google Docs. Open Google document from Google Docs. Let's insert an image in it. Insert image, upload from computer. Select this image. Right click image and select image options. From the right side, select text wrapping. And from these options, select behind text. And now this image is free to move. That is it. Set text wrapping to behind text for the image and it's done. Okay, I hope it helped. Like, share, subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.